When
Do you
did I
understand?
trade 1,000 to? I made 1,000 to 1,000. Dude, are you listening to
What did
yourself?
you do to them? Yes,
Huh?
yes. My guy, you need to wait. No,
Bro,
this is something that I want you to understand. Today I want you to tell people the
hold on,
truth.
wait.
Do you understand? No, 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 no. I think this thing is still here. Why? Let's not divert. Let's not divert from something. Why?
Huh?
Let's start with the competition that I'm talking
No,
about.
no, no. You know what? I won't even have a competition with you. You're talking about 1 to 1,000. Dude, there's nothing of that
You
nature.
cannot do that competition, Marco. You cannot do that competition. You know yourself. You cannot do it.
Dude, you're talking about a leverage of 1 to 1,000, which doesn't even exist. And then you want to challenge me. Are you serious about yourself? Like, are you listening to
Okay, can
yourself?
you? Okay, go back.
Are you
Okay,
listening
Marco.
to yourself?
Okay, Marco. I want to. Marco, I want you to do. I want you to do for us
Are you
this
listening
favor.
to yourself, though?
Go back and show us that account. Show us that account.
What does
Show
real,
us.
what does real mean? What does real mean? I mean, honestly, what the fuck? What the fuck does real mean? Real means fucking nothing. Nothing. Listen to this carefully. This year,
Joseph,
this year,
you
this year,
see,
listen carefully.
people
I
are
want you
seeing
to listen
what
to
you
this
are doing,
carefully.
Marco.
This year,
People are
that
seeing
real,
what people are
that
seeing what
real
you are
doesn't
doing.
mean
Okay,
shit.
okay, okay. Now, okay,
That real
don't
doesn't
keep
mean
the phone
shit.
like that.
Listen
Now show the
carefully.
balance.
That real doesn't mean
Show the
shit.
balance.
That real doesn't mean shit. Forget that real. That doesn't
Show
mean
the
shit.
balance to the
Real
people, man.
doesn't mean shit, dog. Listen carefully.
I am
Real doesn't mean
Marco.
shit. Real
Marco.
doesn't mean shit.
Marco,
But
if
the
we are
fact,
to
hold on,
if
real
we are
doesn't
to
mean
say
shit.
the
But the
truth,
fact that you're talking about a 1 to 1,000 leverage, hey,
number one,
bro,
listen,
hey, bro,
number one, that
1
trade,
to 1,000
that trade
leverage,
only, listen,
hey,
number one,
1 to 1,000
that trade
leverage,
only moved
hey,
46
bro,
pips,
hold on.
which was
Wait,
equal,
hold on.
equal to
Let's just see if we can get
740
this
on
1 to
Lazar.
1,000
How
leverage.
did you double 1,000?
Let's just see if we can get
No,
this 1 to
my
1,000.
question
Hold
is,
on. Let's just see if we can.
I think
Let's
people
go
are fools.
into.
People
You're
are
making a
fools, they
fool of
don't
yourself. So
understand. Listen,
let's
Marco,
just make a bigger fool of
Marco,
you.
I want you
So
to tell us something.
hold
Marco,
on,
tell
hold on,
us.
hold on. Wait. We
Marco,
want to see. We're gonna see
no,
now
I want you to tell
this
us. Check.
leverage that you talk about. So
The Nasdaq,
my
the Nasdaq fell that was
leverage.
rejected
Hold on.
on
My maximum
61.6
leverage is
Fibonacci level.
1 to 500. That's the maximum you can get.
Show us your
Vericity. This
balance.
is the Vericity, right? This is Vericity, right?
Show us your
Fuck
balance.
you. Who are you to
Show
see
the
my
balance.
balance? Who are you? Dude, who are you to see my balance? This guy's a joke.
Ah,
You're a joke,
Jay, you are
bro.
a
You
scammer,
are a
man,
joke.
Marco, man.
1 to 1,000. Where? Where did you get the 1
No,
to 1,000?
what I no, what I am, Marco, I have a question for you. I have a question for you and all
wait,
these people that
wait,
are here. I want you to
wait,
tell
wait, wait,
me.
wait, wait,
Check.
wait, wait, wait.
You said you doubled 999, ne? But that sale that was rejected from
Wait, 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 wait,
61.8
wait, wait.
Fibonacci
Wait, hold
level
on, hold
only
on.
moved 43
Hold on, hold
pips.
on, hold on.
Which
Hold on. Hold on, hold on.
you don't know what you are talking
Hold
about,
on,
ne?
hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's just look at this
Yeah.
quickly, right? I feel like you're a demo trader. So I've realized that demo has 1 to
What?
1,000. Hold on,
Why
hold on.
don't why
Demo
don't we?
has 1 to 1,000. Let's open up a demo account. Let's search for Vericity Markets, right? So now,
This
hold on.
you.
So now we've got Vericity demo,
I didn't.
right?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Go.
There's your
Do
leverage.
everything you
1
wanna
to
do.
1,000. Because a real account won't have 1
Yes.
to fucking 1,000, my boy. You're a fucking demo trader. That's why it's a
Uh-huh.
1 to 1,000.
Yes.
He's a
Yes.
demo
I made
trader.
them. Okay.
You're a waste of time. Bye.
Okay. Maybe. Okay.
A whole fucking demo trader. Oh, wow. Guys, demo has 1 to 1,000. I didn't even know that. Demo has 1 to 1,000. A real account does not have 1 to 1,000. It's 1 to 500. Whew. Oh, I had these demo traders. So he wasn't going to show you, he didn't want to show it in investor password. He was going to open up a demo. Whew. No. I've seen it all today. hectic. Wait, hold on. Dude. Let's go. Yeah, Vericity's real account goes up to one is 1 to 500. I'm fucking dead. I am dead, guys. I am dead. Dead. So, so a real, wait, hold on. So a demo actually does 1 to 100. What? I didn't even know that. That's how you. Yo. 1 to 100. We learned something new today, guys. So if someone tells you that they're on a leverage of 1 to 1,000, get demo. He's a demo because the real count is 1 to 500, guys. You can't go more than that in leverage. Woo! You can't do more than that. This is the highest leverage on a real account. There. Leverage 1 to 500. You can see I only have one account. I don't have demos. I have one account. Live account, one. You can see I don't have any open demos, nothing. I don't have open demos, nothing. One account. And it's 1 to 500. 1 to 1,000. 1 to 1,000. There is no 1 to 1,000. Stock demonstrating demo. Imagine coming and exposing yourself live. Imagine coming and exposing yourself live. Yeah, no. That was hectic. That was hectic. Yo, live. Doctor, you shouldn't have done that, bro. Live. You shouldn't have done that. Yo. I 1 to 1,000. I wonder how that. Let me add him again. He's not requesting. How am I scam when I show that I trade real accounts and then you show us demos that, or you show us accounts that trade 1 to 1,000? Like, you know who you're talking to. Been in the game too long, my boy. Too long. You can't come here with those styles, man. You should have just said I want followers. Or I want to embarrass myself and then get followers. And then he was talking about 1,000 to 25,000. I took 1,000 to 1,000. The 25,000 rand was something else. You must remember, the only way you can get two accounts separately is if you use your ID and then you use your passport. That thing gives you two separate accounts. That's the only way. You open up an account using your passport, and then you open up your account using your ID. And each account, each platform gets two accounts. So you can have 4 accounts, but then you would need to have opened up 2 on your ID and 2 on your passport. That's the only way you're going to open up. So if anybody tells you that they have a leverage of 1 to 1,000 on Vericity, red flag, guys. Now we know, red flag, because he's a demo trader. So, guys, I've shown demos are too easy. I've shown, what did I take a demo to? In one day, I took a demo to 10 million. What did I start with? 10,000. I started with 10,000 United States dollars. I started with 10,000 USD, and I took it to 10 million in one damn day. Yes, Vericity maximum is 1 to 500. Real account. Real account. The poor guy. And then he was like, yeah, let's see your balance. Let's see your balance. Like, you just told me about a leverage of 1 to 1,000 and you want to see my balance? You just told me about a leverage of 1 to 1,000.